Hello guys, so today we will solve quite an interesting problem in HackerRank under the section of easy difficulty level in our HackerRank SQL playlist. So the problem goes by the name as top earners. So before we begin with the problem, I would like to highlight few things. So if you guys remember, while we were doing aggregate functions like count, sum, average, all those things, so we were doing it on the whole table. Now sometimes the situation arises when we have to do those aggregate function onto a subtle spaces. Like those spaces are called groups. For example, let me see, we are having 9 friends. Okay. Now we need to count the average salary of 9 friends. So what we do? We do average and group it. We do average and do the uh, and we get the average pocket money of those 9 friends. But if we are told like we have to get the average salary as a group of 3 friends each, that means first 3 friends will have a average salary, then the second 3 friends will have a average salary or pocket money, and then the remaining 3 friends will have a average salary or pocket money. So in this way we are grouping the data into several segments. So to handle this kind of solution, there is a keyword called group by, and we will use that group by keyword in this problem, and we will understand more in depth about how and when to use those group by. So without any further ado, let's jump into the question. So it has been told we define an employee total earnings to be the monthly salary into months worked, and the maximum total earning to be the maximum total earning for any employee in the employee table. Okay, so if we can write the select query as select, so our requirement is we need to find out the total monthly salary or the maximum monthly salary that is being earned by any employee in the company, not the monthly salary, the maximum salary that has been earned by any employee in this company, and how many other employees are earning that salary. So to do this, what we will do, so the first thing that we need is we need to calculate the total salary, and the total salary we need to calculate is by this formula already given. So select salary into months. Okay, select salary into months, comma. Now it has been asked us to find how many employees are earning the maximum salary. So obviously when the question comes how many, we have to use the count keyword. So similarly I am using the count keyword, and to find out the unique element count, I am doing a count on employee ID. Employee ID, and from the table employee. Let's first run this code and figure out like exactly what are the points that we are lagging. This is not the correct solution, let me tell you. Okay, now if we run this code, you will see we will be thrown an error. Okay, and the error says, like if you remember previously when we are doing any aggregate functions, we were just extracting any values, but here what we are doing something a normal arithmetic calculation, and along with that we are doing arithmetic and we are doing an aggregate function. So this is not supported in SQL, because if you can understand, salary into month will give me multiple rows, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, multiple rows will be there. But for count or any aggregate functions, we will only get one row. So it is not possible to create a table from this kind of data. So what is the solution that we are left with? We need to group the data on something. So by grouping I mean, so what will I do? I will use the group by keyword, and I am grouping on salary and months. So what I am doing, first let me write it, and I am saying, so what I am doing, I am saying SQL that how many employees are having salary into months as same, like people earning the same total salary, group them into one and count their respective total, like count their respective total count. Suppose I am earning total salary 100, A is earning to let me write it down for A is earning total salary of 100, B is earning total salary of 200, C is earning total salary of 200, D is earning 150, E is earning 100. So what I am telling SQL is like, so consider salary and months is 100, 200, 200, 150, 150. So what I am telling SQL is like, do one thing, you group all those person who are having the same salary. So what SQL will do? It will group A and E. So A and E will get into one grouping and it will return count of A and E and the count will be 2. Similarly for 150 there will be another group created and that group will be having only one count. Similarly for 200 another group will be created and that group will be having 2 count. So this is the way group by works. Now if we run this code we will see something like pretty amazing. Let's see. See, so total salary of 18,1860 is earned by 1. So all these things are grouped like 108064. This is being earned by 7 people. Now we have achieved one thing, like one part of the problem is done. Like we are being able to calculate salary into months, that is the total salary and number of employees are earning that. But we are left with another part of solution, like write a query to find the maximum total earnings for all the employees. So to get the maximum total earning we can say from this group, like how do we get the maximum total earning? To get the maximum total earning we have to do a order by, because by maximum we are trying to sort the data in some way or another. So order by salary into months, because if I order by salary into months I will get the data from the lowest total salary to the maximum total salary. But in this problem we are required to sort the data in descending order, that is the highest data, like the highest total salary should come at the beginning. So to do that what I will do, I will use the desk keyword. We have already done lots of problem on order by desk keyword, so I am not going really in depth regarding this concept. So now if I run this, what you will see, you will see the data is getting sorted up. So this is the highest salary and number of people earning is 7. So the data is getting sorted up. Now we are left with just one thing. So in this output we are getting multiple rows. Now our approach is like we need to find the highest total salary and number of count. So to find the highest salary we will use another keyword called limit. Limit is your output, suppose your output is having 10 rows. So what is the use of limit? Limit will limit your output by the number of rows that you put after limit. So here I am putting limit 1. So what it will do, it will check in my result set and it will see, it will not like bother like if my result set is returning 100 rows, 200 rows, 10,000 rows or any. It will just fetch the first row and display it. So if I run this, you will see like most probably we have reached our ideal solution here. See, so we have successfully been able to solve this problem. Hope you have, hope you guys have got a decent enough understanding regarding this thing. So I would suggest you, if you are not able to wrap your head around this problem for the first time, like go through the video another time or twice more time, so you will be able to figure out how everything is going on. And if you need any additional help you can comment down below, I will be happy to help you guys. So thank you and bye bye.